kape, kinasal na po ang ating panghimagas host na si Valerie Tan sa kanyang longtime boyfriend na si Joe Chua kahapon. Ang mga happy moments sa kanilang big day, panoorin po natin. Ikinasal na nga ang ating kapuso at kakape na si Valerie Tan. Nakipag-isang dibdib ang ating kakape na si Valerie sa kanyang longtime boyfriend na si Joe Chua. Ginanap ang kasal ni na Valerie at Joe sa San Agustin Church sa Intramuros kahapon. Dinaluhan ito ng mga kamag-anak at malalapit na kaibigan ng dalawa. Nagkakilala si na Valerie at Joe nang iset up sila ng kanilang mga kaibigan at doon nagsimula ang kanilang nakakakilig na love story. Sa loob ng mahigit isang taon, naging long distance ang relationship ng dalawa dahil nagtrabaho si Joe sa China. Pero sa hinaba-haba nga naman daw ng prosesyon ay sa simbahan pa rin ang tuloy. Kaya naman nagpakasal sila pagkatapos ng 5 taon nilang magkasintahan.
Valerie, wear this ring as a sign of my love and loyalty. In the name of the Father, of the Son, and of the Holy Spirit.
Joseph, wear this ring as a sign of my love and loyalty. In the name of the Father, of the Son, and of the Holy Spirit.
Val, I remember that after our 7-hour date, I knew I had to see you again, and again, until you become my girlfriend. And after 5 years of being together, I know I wanted to be with you for the rest of my life. I cannot promise a life that is problem-free, but I promise to you that I'll do my best to make it easy for us and our family. I love you.
Joe, for the past 5 years that we've been together, I've seen you grow as a man and as a person, and I couldn't be prouder. You may be big in height and in build, but you have a soft and sincere heart and a gentle soul. I see how you deeply care for your loved ones, and I feel extremely lucky to be one of them. Joe, I vow to share and support your dreams, hopes and visions, helping to fulfill them in any way that I can. I will lend you my ears, listen to all your joys and sorrows, dreams and fears. We don't know where life will take us, but through its ups and downs, you have my hand to hold. My heart will be your shelter, and my arms will be your home. Joe, from this day forward, you shall not walk alone. I love you.
Ano naman kaya ang mensahe ng kanilang mga kaibigan?
Joe, Val, congratulations on this big day, and you're really lucky to have each other, and I hope for the best for both of you and have many children.
Hi Val, hi Joe. We wish you all the best in this next chapter of your life. We know that you can do it. All the best and congratulations and best wishes. We love you.
Hi Val and Joe. Well, this is it. This is finally it. We wish you all the best, and we hope that by next year you can give us little adorables. Yes, congratulations. Best wishes. Cheers.
Masaya rin ang mga magulang ni Valerie para sa mga bagong kasal.
Sana maging masaya sila. Kung sakaling magtampuhan, huwag gagamitin ng sana good luck sa kanila, sana maging masaya sila. Kahit malungkot ako, pero masaya din ako, nakikita ko sila na masaya ang aking anak na si Valerie. At nakikita ko naman ang aking son-in-law ay bait naman at alam ko mahal niya anak ko. Sana magiging forever sila.
Congrats sa son-in-law ko and best wishes sa anak ko.
Kaya naman Valerie, mula sa iyong Kape at Balita family, binabati namin kayong mag-asawa at we wish you a happy and long-lasting marriage.
Congratulations, Val!